Hi guys, it's Amy with A to Z Stamping, and today I have a scrapbook layout for you. I have this sweet little picture. This is actually from 2005. Remember, I'm way behind in my scrapbooks and I don't even care. I'm letting that go. So I have this sweet picture. That's my son Jackson, who is 17 and a half now. My niece Sydney and my father-in-law, he's the best. And this was a family vacation we were on at the beach, and I just thought that picture was so sweet. And when I saw the Come Sail Away suite in our current 2019-20 catalog, I thought, oh, that paper is going to be perfect for this. And so I'll show you this quick layout. So I have a piece of 12 by 12 Mossy Meadow cardstock. You get this in the neutrals pack. So 12 by 12 Mossy Meadow. And then I grabbed out, so this is from the Come Sail Away suite of paper. So this side is fun with different like sailing things. And then this side is just balmy blue and white stripes. And I cut a 1/2 inch off two sides so that I could mount it on here and I'll have a little bit of the border showing. So let me go ahead and get some adhesive here. And I'm just going to mount this on, so I should have a little bit of a border all the way around. All right. And that looks okay. It's a tiny bit crooked, but I'm okay with that on my layouts. All right. So then for my picture, I wanted to mount it on some different colors of cardstock. So actually first, I have another piece of our cardstock. So this side is really cool. It has the compass. And then this side is kind of like a map. I'm going to actually use the Mossy Meadow map side. And this is cut at 4 by 10.5. Is that 10.5? Now I'm second guessing myself. This is, or sorry, 11.5, not 10.5, 11.5, because there's only a 1/2 inch cut off. And I want to line that up with the balmy blue paper. There we go. All right, then I grabbed, so I have soft suede and Night of Navy cardstock here. And it looks like I need to change my cutting blade. That's okay, I'm gonna leave that. All right, so for my picture, so my picture is a standard 4x6. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount that onto this piece of soft suede cardstock. And so this is cut at 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And these are the Night of Navy, Soft Suede, Balmy Blue, Mossy Meadow are the main colors in the Come Sail Away suite, which is why I picked these. Then I have a piece of Night of Navy cardstock, and I think, let's see, this is cut at 7.5 by 5.5, yep. And I'm gonna go ahead and mount that right onto there. When you're doing just one picture on a layout, I think it's good to mat it, just to give, so it doesn't look so empty on the page. And then I have another piece of soft suede. So this is 7 3/4 by 5 3/4. And this is going to go right on there. Okay. And this is going to go right like that. So I think this is going to go about right here. But before I stick that down, next thing I did was I grabbed the Memories and More Come Sail Away card pack. The Memories and More card packs are perfect for scrapbookers. They're great for making cards too. So easy to make cards, but they're perfect for scrapbooking. They come with all these 4x6 cards, and they always come with sticker sheets and the 3x4 cards. It's great. So I picked out 3 that are going to go across the bottom. So I picked this one. It says Memories, and I already did my journaling. I used my Night of Navy Stampin' Write marker, and I just wrote the date and what was going on. So these are going to go right at the bottom. This one's going to be my title, Life is Better When We Are Together. Isn't that so sweet? And then I just picked this one to bring in the colors. Those are going to go right at the bottom. So let me decide right where I want them. I think that looks good. So it makes it so simple. And they are all two-sided. So they all have really cool things on both sides. So there's so much to choose from. Isn't that so sweet? Life is better when we're together. That's so perfect for this layout. Okay. Okay, so that's going to go right like so. So this guy will go right there. Right like this. And then for the top, I'm going to grab this Mossy Meadow. So it's Mossy Meadow thread. It comes, it's actually called the Magnolia Lane ribbon pack, I think, or something along those lines, because it comes with some other ribbon comes with it. But this is Mossy Meadow. And what I want to do is I want to take, let's see, I think I want 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut that off. Okay. And I'm gonna wrap this right across the top like so. And I'm gonna flip it over. And since it's a scrapbook layout, I don't wanna use adhesive. I'm just gonna grab, if I can find it. Let's see, where'd you go? Where'd my just regular tape go? Sorry guys, I gotta find my tape. I lost it. I'm just gonna use regular old Scotch tape because I don't want anything sticky, obviously, on the back of my layout for my albums. So I'm just gonna stick these down. Oops, I don't want it that high. Okay, make sure that's nice and straight. Okay, and then, that was some old tape. Then to finish it off, I'm just gonna grab the Sail Away trinkets. These are so cute. All right, so let me show you these close up. So there's these little, these guys and the anchors. Aren't they so sweet? So I think I'm gonna grab one of the anchors and I'm going to stick a piece of thread through it. And let me just cut off a little piece here. And I'm gonna tie them on. I could have put them through before I taped it down, but this will work too. And I think I'll double knot it just so that it doesn't come undone. And then I'll just cut this a little bit shorter. Come on. Like so. And this can go wherever I want it to go. And that is gonna be my layout. Isn't that so sweet? It was so quick and so easy. So I hope you'll check out the Come Sail Away Suite. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys, bye.